I understand that the coronavirus is on everybody's mind right now, and I just wanted to make a quick video and let you know what we're doing here at Fire and Ice to make you and your family safe, as well as keep our own staff and families safe. My name is Scott Merritt. I am the owner of Fire and Ice Heating and Air Conditioning. Besides being the owner, I've also spent 14 of the last 16 years on a search and rescue / disaster response team. On that team, I have had extensive training on pandemic response, pandemic preparation, and as well as regular disasters and search and rescue. I have worked extensively with the Franklin County and the Delaware County Emergency Management Agencies during those years. And together, my team and I here at Fire and Ice have a plan that I would like to share with you today. First of all, I would like to say that we are continuing to offer services as normal. Now, there is a new normal these days, so we are taking new steps each day to make sure that we're dealing with the situation as it arises. Some of the steps that we started last month in February, I'm going to go over now. So, when an employee first shows up to your home, they are armed with nitrile gloves. They're armed with face masks. They're armed with shoe covers, and they're armed with Purell. And if you would like them to use any of those items, we would be more than happy to. They are there for your safety, and we want you to feel safe. Because your safety is our top priority. Some other items that we've implemented are what we're doing with internally in our office and our staff and everybody that comes to your home. So I have an 8-point checklist of items that we have implemented that we are doing on a daily basis. Number one is our offices and our warehouse facilities are washed down every single day, all day long, with the best germ-killing materials, cleansers. Number two, our company vehicle interiors are wiped down every single day with Clorox and Lysol wipes. So when a service technician first starts his day, he wipes down all the controls, his seats, everything he touches inside his van before he even starts the day. Number three, our employees are asked to stay home if they're sick. If they're feeling illness at all. Number four, our office has multiple 2-liter bottles of hand sanitizer throughout the office. Number five, my training over the years with the disaster response team have taught me how important training is. And so we have done extensive training with every staff member, every field staff member on COVID-19, how to prevent it, how to wash your hands, and how to wash your face throughout the day. We have only used the Center for Disease Control and the World Health Organization's guidelines, and we believe that personal hygiene across the board has been enforced and adopted by all. Number six, information packets were sent out when the virus first hit the States. Information packets about the virus were sent out to every single employee's home. In the packets were CDC and WHO guidelines. Everything that we did internally here at the office and for the field staff, we have sent that information and that training home to the families of everybody that works here. It's important that not only do they take care of their family and take care of themselves, but once they come in here, they're going to follow the same practices, and once they go to your house, they're going to follow the same practices. We want to make sure that the whole chain of service, from first thing in the morning when they get up till they leave your house, everything is good to go, and that we're following only the best practices. Number 7 on our list is no employee here at Fire and Ice is allowed to even start their day without a forehead temperature reading taking place. And number 8 on our list is social distancing. You've all heard about social distancing on TV a lot. We also do that here. Nobody is allowed within 6 feet of each other, if at all possible. Even in our meetings, everybody is sitting far apart. So we want to make sure that everything is the best we can possibly do for you. Franklin Delano Roosevelt once said, the only thing that we have to fear is fear itself. There is a lot of fear right now, but there's a lot of good things that are going on as well. Our country is changing. Our habits are changing for the better, I believe. Nobody is immune from what's going on. We struggle just like you are struggling, but we want you to know that we're doing everything that we can to make sure that we keep our staff safe, and our staff keeps you safe with everything. Thank you for your continued patronage during this time. God bless you and your family, and your trust is our business.